Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be opening these basketball cards for the 2023 to 2024 NBA season. So this is the first one I've ever really opened. Never been a big basketball card guy, but I've watched a few videos and it intrigues me a little bit. But yeah, hopefully we can pull some cool rookies and go from there. I'm also looking for Celtic players, being I'm a pretty big Celtic fan, so that'd be huge. Just go ahead and open this up. I also don't know if I'm in like the perfect recording situation. I've never done this before, so I'm trying my girlfriend's ring light. It's a tripod stand and it's really tall, so I can't see how this looks. Alrighty. Open up the box. Get that all out of here. I've heard a trick, like if there's a thicker one, sometimes that means there's something good in there. So we'll put some of these to the side. And yeah, I don't think this is going to be a like staple really for me to be doing these, because it's just an expensive gig if you do it so often. So, but I think it'd be cool. Okay, we got Mitchell Robinson, Spencer Dinwiddie, Brooke Lopez, Paulo. That's a good one. What do you got? Jonte Murray. Pretty big fan of his game. I liked him more in San Antonio. Herb Jones. He's a solid player. Seth Curry. Let's see. Got Wendell Carter. Andrew Wiggins. I'm a Kansas fan, but yeah, I can't appreciate what Andrew Wiggins did to my Celtics in the finals. He was really phenomenal, then he dipped. Got a rookie here. Kobe Buffkin. I'm gonna feel pretty dumb. He's from Michigan. Huh. I'll put that in a separate pile. What do we have here? Trey Jones. Oh, another rookie. Taylor Hendricks. I got him on my fantasy basketball team. I drafted him in the rookie draft we had. Oh, here we go. Kevin Durant. I'll put some good players over here. And they got a pure players. Steph Curry. What do we have here? Arriving now. Cam Whitmore. I don't know what this is. It's pretty cool though. I liked him coming into the league. There's the first one. I really apologize if the camera is not in the best spot. I have to have it zoomed in, otherwise you're going to catch like my entire desk. Okay, we got Tyrese Maxey, who's having a great year. Kentavious Caldwell Pope. Dame Lillard. Got Bradley Beal in his son's uniform. Donovan Mitchell. What do we have here? Oh. Ben Mathurin. Solid player. We got Lou Dort. Jared Allen. He's a pretty dang good player. Bam Adebayo. Oh man, being a Celtics fan, don't really want that card. Moses Moody. We got a rookie, Monty Bates. I thought he was going to be a little better than what he has been. Got another rookie here, Brandon Miller. That's a pretty decent pull. He's been really good. Huh. Got another rookie. Sorry, it's so hard to read these. Noah, like the holographic or whatever it is makes it hard. Noah Clowney. Got a Dynamos. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Joel Embiid. You can join that pile. Marvin Bagley. Thought Marvin Bagley would be better. I'm going to straighten up this pile. Oops. I'm going to put that over here. You might not be able to catch it on camera. Let's go to pack number 3. So I really don't know how this is turning out, so I apologize, but I'm trying my best. So the cord I have, I'm recording this with my phone. The cord I have that goes into my mic to my phone is very, very short, so this is hard. So bear with me, please. We got a Drew Holiday. It's in the Bucks uniform, though, but I'll probably set him in Celtics pile with Peyton Pritchard. Speaking of Celtics, Mike Conley. Always been a big fan of Mike Conley. It's way back. Kelly Oubre. Oh boy, this is not the Celtics player that's going to go in that pile. Grant Williams. You can go over far away. Terrence Mann. Andrew Nembhard. I don't know. Walker Kessler hasn't had as good of a year, I feel like, but he showed promise as a rookie. You got a John Morant. LeBron James. Another Cam Whitmore card. What do we have here? Ooh, there we go. Amon Thompson. I thought he'd be a little better, but him and his brother seem just to be very raw players, and they got some intangibles that you just cannot teach. So that's a plus. What do you got? Jalen Pickett, another rookie. Oops. What do we have here? I don't know what that's supposed to say. Say greetings from Utah. Another Taylor Hendricks. What is this? Arriving now. Dariq Whitehead. Where do you come from? It's not saying. A lot of rookies in that one. On to pack number 4. I really hope this is turning out okay. The only thing I'm worried about is the audio and the angle, which is the most important thing. Also, don't mind my mat. It might be a little dirty. Dillon Brooks, everyone's favorite NBA player. Luka Doncic. I loved him coming into the league. I really did. I felt like I was one of the few. I know not one of the few, but like one of the few from like people I knew that was like on the hype early on. But obviously, there's almost so many people thought he was going to be good. Emmanuel Quickley always kills the Celtics. Ben Simmons. Jaden Hardy. Tyler Hero. Clint Capella. Jose Alvarado. What do we got here? We got a rookies. Anthony Black. Giannis. Got another rookie here. Leonard Miller. D'Angelo Russell. Jalen Hood Schifino? I don't know. It's from Indiana. Skyview John Morant. kind of a good looking card. Number 1, Pure Players. Luka Doncic. Number 1. So wait, do I have another one of these Pure Players? This one says number 9. This one says number 1. I don't know if that's anything big. I'll have to look it up. I'm a noob to this, so you have to let me know or let me look it up. My desk is a mess right now. One of my more favorite players in the league, Jaden McDaniels. He's so good at defense. Terry Rozier is now at the Heat. I think he's actually hurt. Got hurt against the Celtics. James Harden. Jamal Murray. I'm probably like transitioning these cards pretty weirdly, but there's like just not a lot of room for my hands. Jabari Walker. This is Colin Sexton, yeah. Colin Sexton. Kenneth Lofton. Ochai Agbaji. Went to Kansas as well. Won a championship for him. Josh Giddey. Got a rookie here. Keontae George, who's been starting lately. Scoot Henderson. Hopefully he can bounce back. He's kind of hasn't played very great. Jalen Slauson. Another Kevin Durant. We got something coming up. Skyview Luka Doncic. All right, let's see what we have. Rookie sweaters. Noah Clonley. Clonley. I don't know. I don't know much about him. Interesting. Got a sweater. All right. This is the final one. Hopefully this has gone okay. Otherwise I'm going to be sick. I'll tell you what, if it doesn't go okay, I'm probably going to buy another pack. Try to make it okay. All right, we got Evan Fournier. PJ Washington. Who did he get traded to? It was Dallas, which is a pretty good deal. They traded Grant Williams and something else for him, I think. Bobby Portis. Here we go. Kristaps Porzingis. This is only because of my Celtic fandom. And I'm glad I ended up with him. Big Celtic fan. Onyeka Okongwu. I was a pretty big fan of him coming into the league. He's been okay. Pretty good, like solid. Brandon Ingram. Joe Harris. Oh, grab 2. Franz Wagner. Oh, goodness. Obi Toppin. What do we have here? Nick Smith Jr. Jonathan Kuminga, who's playing pretty dang good since he's been like this year. Been getting a lot more playing time. Good for him. James Nnaji. Devin Vessel, who's looking pretty solid this year. Ooh, this is good. Brandon Miller arriving now. Dang. Lastly, this is very fitting. Scotty Barnes. He's never beaten the allegations. Well, so let's have a little overview. This is how many cards come in this, by the way. This pile over here. I didn't realize how many cards comes in these things. Okay, for my Celtic fandom, we got Kristaps, Peyton Pritchard, Drew Holiday, even though he has the Bucks logo. I'll take it for now. For this, we have Luka Doncic, Skyview. It's number 22. Pure Players, Luka, number 1. I don't know if that's anything special. Skyview, John Morant, number 13. Dominoes, Joel Embiid. Dynamos, number 15. Pure Player, Steph Curry. Number 9, I just put Kevin Durant in that pile because he's a very good player, and I didn't know how these were going to go. Like I said, this is the first time I've opened any of these ever. That's okay, so there's those ones. And here is the rooks. So we got arriving now, Brandon Miller, James Nnaji. I'm not going to probably name all these. Nick Smith Jr. Here's the memorabilia one we got. The rookie sweaters, Noah Clowney, Jalen Slauson, Scoot Henderson, Keontae George, yeah, Leonard Miller, Anthony Black, Drake Whitehead, Greetings from Utah, Taylor Hendricks, got a couple of those ones. Jalen Pickett. Jalen Thompson, number 300. Cam Whitmore. Noah Clowney. Brandon Miller, number 284. Monty Bates. Cam Whitmore arriving now. 22. Taylor Hendricks. Goodness gracious. There's just not enough room for my big hands. Okay, so I'll put them over there. Okay, so I want to look at one more thing if I haven't. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, that should do it for this one. I may try this again. I would like to look how this turned out, but I also would be interested in changing the way of doing this because it's just awkward a little bit for me. There's just not enough space with the current setup, but I can space out the camera more, I think. I just kind of rushed this, if I'm being honest, but there's what we got, and may do another one, may not. So I was interested. I wanted a Victor, a Wemby card, but got like everything else. So, yeah. Excuse me. Thank you for joining, and I'll catch you in the next one.